People all over VES are causing problems to our environment like polluting air and water, destroying forests, reducing pollinators, and using too much energy and more.
Pollinators are dying because pesticides are getting out of control.
Pollinators are very important because it's like a cycle. The pollinators, for example, bees. Bees are very important because they pollinate, which can grow many other plants, flowers, and even trees. Here is the cycle. If there are no bees, that means there is no farms. That means no jobs, and that repeats over and over.
People will lose their jobs because the farm plants don't get pollinated, so they have no jobs for the food they plant.
Here are some ways to help our pollinators. Using animal, bug, or insect-safe pesticide. Don't harm pollinators. Planting trees and flowers. Don't use spray to harm and hurt pollinators.
The trees. Trees are being cut down and that is destroying the animal habitats and making us have less oxygen. We need to protect our resources to save our trees and animal habitats. If you destroy animal habitats, it will affect the food chain. We use trees for so many resources here at school. Paper, pencils, shelving, and cardboard are all made from trees. We use trees to build new buildings and houses. Trees are a very important resource, and we are cutting them down to make buildings.
One way we can save trees is by recycling. You need to recycle because if you don't, you might have a shortage in resources. Recycling prevents pollution and is the better way for public health. Also, recycling helps jobs and helps trees. We can recycle paper, cardboard, and plastic.
You can help by using both sides of your paper instead of using two different sheets of paper. You can also help save the environment by encouraging people to live in a way that does not hurt or harm the environment. You can also buy recycled products and recycle them again.
Recycling saves resources and prevents pollution. We can also help by planting baby trees and caring for them. 1 football field of forest gone every second. 2,564,955 forests are getting cut down and getting bigger as we speak. Here's one way you can help. Buy only what you will need.
Energy is a source of power that humans use too much. Soon we will have used so much energy that there will be so little left and may cause harder living conditions. Fossil fuels are energy to car and some machinery. When we use this, it gets in the atmosphere and it is bad for our planet. Conserve energy. Conserving energy is when we use less energy and power. When you're away from home, you should have an app that controls your AC and heat. When you're away, to turn the AC down and to turn it off on your way home.
One way we can help is by conserving water. Everybody likes to take long hot baths. Did you know that you use less water when you take a shower? So consider taking more showers and less baths. Another way we can save our water is by turning the water off when we brush our teeth.
If you are new to Vienna Elementary, you may not know that we have a creek in the back. That creek is getting polluted every day due to us being careless with our snack trash. This is an example of polluting water. Think about what we can do to stop it. If you're having trouble thinking of something, here are some ideas. We can keep our water clean by recycling and throwing away your trash in the trash can.
Students and staff, now that you have learned not to hurt our environment, we ask of you to help our dear planet and keep it healthy. Not just for us, but for you and for everyone that is counting on our generation to fix this. If we work together and we all do whatever it takes, we can make this a better world and for all the people yet to come.